Do you put raisins in your potato salad?
Never.
Okay, just making sure.
Hi, Angie. Pleasure to see you.
Hey, Slade.
Thank you for being in my kitchen.
Thank you for having me.
This is fantastic.
You sure you want me in here?
I do. I want you in
Okay.
here. Your
All
family
right.
has a long history of feeding the neighborhood, and I'm sure you're a great cook, right?
My husband is, and my daughter is, but me not so much.
All right. Did you know the official state pie of Florida is the key lime pie?
Okay. All right.
But these aren't key limes. These are key limes.
Okay.
Right? Back in the 1920s, there was a hurricane, and there was a citrus disease that wiped them out almost. And a lot of the commercial farmers in the Keys, they replaced them with these easier to grow, easier to ship limes. And over a long period of time, this little guy made its way back.
Okay.
Isn't that always the way? It's the little guy that has to
It's
fight
the little guy.
so hard
We
just
fight.
to get their way back.
But
And I
we're
think
resilient.
it's absolutely. And we're seeing now that a lot of little guys throughout the country, we don't trust our leadership because they lie to us. They're not being truthful with us. They need leaders we can trust. So let me ask you, what kind of leader will you be in the USA?
Yeah, I'm going to be a leader that puts people first over politics, over profit, even over party. And I'm going to be the type of leader that actually allows those people to inform and influence the type of policies and economy that they want to see. Not this billionaire class, but actually the people, the little guys. So,
Absolutely.
yeah.
And the little guy, because of their struggle, there's just so much more character, so much more flavor. There's more flavor in this than there is in this.
Okay.
So to make a key lime pie, it's just three things. You've got key lime juice, condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, and egg yolks. These are so small that when you squeeze them, it's like, that's all you get.
Okay.
We need half a cup of that. So go ahead. Here, switch places. Do a couple of those.
Yeah, for sure. I do this at the bookstore.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the cafe that we have. We have a...
Cafe resistance.
Exactly,
Right.
cafe resistance. I can do this all day.
I'm glad you can do it all day because when it comes to juicing key limes, it usually takes all day to make a couple of pies. And early voting is open now in Florida, and election day for this primary is Tuesday, August 18th. So get your vote in. Get out and vote. And as we've seen sometimes, candidates don't have the same budget. You're getting outspent in this particular race quite a bit. But tell us, what do you know about thriving and winning with fewer resources?
Yeah, so I think it's important to note because I am a community organizer as well as a former union organizer. And organized people will beat organized money and definitely unorganized money each and every day. And so we show up. We meet people where they are. We've stated that we're willing to debate all the things. And people power is better than money power because I am the strongest candidate based on that independent poll to take on Ashley Moody in the general election. And that's because folks know that I know the state of Florida. And I travel the state of Florida, not just during campaign time, but to just
Do up and down.
to talk to folks and learn more about them. And so folks realize that, and they know I don't have to be briefed on what's happening here in our state, and they appreciate that. And I've been the one who's been on the front lines with them facing a lot of these attacks. So
No doubt about it.
that's what they care about the most.
See, time flies when you're having good conversation.
I know.
You got a half a cup of key lime juice. That usually takes about half a day. In separating whites and yolks for recipes, it's okay to get a little whites with the yolks, but it's never okay to get a little yolk with the white. It's really a sensation.
A sensation it is.
These are really good farm eggs because the white is so attached to that yolk. It's kind of a funny thing. So now we just need one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. This is a lot. That's a lot of sweetness.
Am I doing it right?
Look at that technique. Look at that.
It's the flick of the wrist.
Wow.
Hey, it's the flick of the wrist. I might have my next item I'm going to bring to Thanksgiving.
Absolutely.
They're now
yeah.
going to let me bring something.
Put it right next to sweet potato pie. It's going to be a hit. Somebody's going to really love it.
Yeah, because they told me I can't cook anymore. They
Why?
were like, I can bring the drinks.
Well, that's an important responsibility too. At least they didn't tell you can bring the plates and the cups.
I mean, they want me to bring that too, but they said I can't cook anything else. But I think I'm learning something today, and I'm going to be able to bring this.
It is.
Jared, Takesha, Ernest, I'm bringing key limes for Thanksgiving.
It's the greatest compliment I've ever gotten, has been invited to the cookout.
Oh, you getting
And
invited to the
I
cookout?
get invited to
They
the
want
cookout
you to
once a
cook the
month.
food?
A little bit, yes.
Oh, wow.
They've given me the
What
sides.
kind of mess is that?
I
They
get to
don't
do the
want me
sides.
to bring the food, and they letting you come cook it all
Well,
up.
I guess we
Wait,
have to go together now.
do you put raisins in your potato salad?
Never.
Okay, just making
No.
sure.
But I put dried cranberries in tuna salad.
I
Which
eat
is
grapes.
actually really
I
good.
eat grapes in tuna
Yeah,
salad.
absolutely.
It's so good.
Absolutely.
I got
is
my
good.
husband on that.
Get that little burst of sweetness
I
with the savory.
know.
You did a great job.
Thank
All right.
you.
Look at that.
This ain't too bad. Teamwork.
Team makes the dream work.
That's right.
So now we bake this at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes.
Okay.
Now you can never make just one pie. So I made one earlier. So
Okay.
here it is. And this is ultimately what it looks like.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
It's
Would
gorgeous.
you like to have a slice?
Yes. Are we going to whip cream it up or no?
Yes, we have to whip cream it up. Little bitty one. Now that should be enough, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
That is definitely enough.
My rule is if you can see the pie, you haven't put enough on.
Oh. Bon
Cheers.
appetit. Cheers.
Mm,
You did that.
this is that good.
This recipe is easy, quick, and it's good.
It's amazing. Well, such a pleasure having you here with me.
Thank you for welcoming me into your home.
Much appreciated. And what message do we have for the voters in this moment?
The message would be everyday working people deserve to live in a place where they're healthy, prosperous, and safe, and where they can work hard and come home and eat some key lime pie.
Amen.
Yes.